Why do 80% of cats make us laugh? Because they play dodgeball like pros. Let's dive in. Meet Whiskers, Mittens, and Boots. Our feline friends are ready to dodge, duck, dip, and dive. It's a sunny day, and the beach balls are flying. Look at Whiskers with that swift dodge. Mittens is all about those fancy footwork moves. And Boots? He's the master of the surprise attack. Watch them leap, twist, and roll in the grass. They're showing off their best dodgeball skills. Oh, did you see that? Mittens just pulled off an epic somersault dodge. And here comes Boots with a beach ball bouncer. Whiskers counters with a high-flying jump. Who knew cats could be such dodgeball dynamos? These playful fur balls sure know how to have fun, so grab your popcorn, sit back, and enjoy the cat-tastic action. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Pursome videos. Meow-tastic!